Analyze the stoichiometry of reaction 2. Look at the balanced chemical equation representing the reaction. NaOCl plus 2HCl gives Cl2 plus NaCl plus H2O according to the coefficients. The stoichiometric mole ratio between the reactant of interest, NaOCl, and the gas product, Cl2, is 1:1. Calculate the moles of NaOCl that reacted. Since the reaction goes to completion and produces 0.010 moles of Cl2, we can use the 1:1 stoichiometric ratio to determine that the amount of NaOCl initially present must also be exactly 0.010 moles Cl2 times 1 moles NaOCl over 1 mole Cl2 is equal to 0.010 moles NaOCl. Convert the volume of the NaOCl solution to liters. The initial volume of the NaOCl solution is given as 100 ml. Convert this volume to liters so that we can calculate molarity in standard units. Moles per liter 100 ml times 1 liters over 1,000 milliliters equals 0.100 liters. Calculate the molarity of the NaOCl solution. Molarity, M, is defined as the number of moles of solute divided by the total volume of the solution in liters. Molarity, M, equals moles of solute over liters of solution equals 0.010 moles. NaOCl over 0.100 liters solution equals 0.10 molar. This calculation shows that the starting concentration of NaOCl was 0.10 molar, making option C the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, 0.10 molar.